Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 5 class. Hope you all are fine. Okay beta, it's your math lecture time and today we start our new chapter, chapter number 9, and today we start exercise 9a, and in our classwork we solve question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 9a. Firstly, I will tell you about your classwork and then I will tell you about your homework. Okay girls, what you have to do, you have to solve question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 9a on your book in classwork. Okay, after that on your notebooks, what you have to do, you have to solve question number 1, fill in the blanks with classwork date, and question number 2 and 3 on your copies with homework date. And before starting your work, what you have to do, you have to make 2 indexes, one for classwork and the other one for homework. Then prepare your page, write complete date like classwork Wednesday 9th December, 2020 full stop. Then write down topic, that is exercise 9a question number 1. And in homework, what topic you will write? You will write exercise 9a question number 2 and 3. Now come on your work. Exercise 9a question number 1, that is fill in the blanks. Okay girls, you have already studied about average in the previous lecture when you have studied the definitions. Okay. Now a blank is an average is obtained by adding the quantities together and dividing the sum by number of quantities by which we divided their number of quantities. Okay. Now B part is that average tells about the central value of data. Means the data you have, the central most value is called its average. C part is that the average of 7, 9, 10 and 18 is, you will write in blank 11. Here is the offer. Okay girls, you know for finding average what we have to do, we will sum up the values and after that we will divide it on their number of quantities. Okay, here we have 4 values, so we will divide their sum on 4. Average is equals to 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 18 divided by 4. When we sum up all the values, our answer will come 44. Now we divide 44 on 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 11s are 44. So our answer is 11. Okay girls. Now D part is that the average of 1000, 1000 and 1000 is, okay, what will be our average? 1000. How we find it? Here is our offer. Average is equals to sum of number divided by number of quantities. Okay. Now we have 3 values, 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. So we will add these values and divide it on 3. When we add all these values, our answer will come 3000. And 3000 by 3, which is equals to 1000. We will cut it like that. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 zeros with the answer. Okay. Now 1000 is our answer. E part is that to find the average of 18, 14, 15 and 17, we divide dash by 4. Okay girls, what we have to divide? We have to divide the sum of all these numbers. So here we find the sum like 18 plus 14 plus 15 plus 17, which is equals to 64. So 64 is our sum. Okay. You know that for finding average, firstly what we have to do, we have to sum up the given values. Okay. Now question number 2, that is state whether the following are true or false. A part is that the average of the first 5 number is 3. True. Okay girls. Now here is our work. Average is equals to, first 5 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we sum up all these numbers and divide them on 5 because there are 5 numbers. When we their sum will come 15, and when we divide 15 on 5, our answer will come 3. So that's why this statement is true. Okay girls, B part, that is the average is the largest value in the data. False, because average is the central value of the data. Okay. C part, that is to find the average, we divide the sum of data by the number of quantities. True. D part, the average of 2.5, 4.5 and 6.5 is not 4.5. False, because when we find their average, the answer will come 4.5 and they are saying the answer will not come 4.5. That's why this statement is false. Okay girls, now come on refer. For finding average, we find the sum of 2.5, 4.5 and 6.5. Okay girls. And after that we divide it on 3 because there are 3 values. When we find their sum, so our answer will come 13.5. Now we divide 13.5 on 3. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 1 will come down and this point will come in quotient, move to quotient, and this 5 will come down. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. That's the remainder. So 4.5 is our quotient and our answer is 4.5. Okay, and they are saying that answer will not come 4.5. That's why this statement is false. Okay, girls. Now, E part is that if the sum of the heights of 20 girls, how many girls are there? 20 girls is 2640 centimeter. Their average height will be 132 centimeter. True. Okay girls, you know that for finding the average, what we have to do? We will divide the sum of number by their quantities. Okay. Now here sum is 2640 centimeter and how many number of girls are there? 20. So we divide it on 20. Here is the rough work. When we divide 2640 on 20, so our answer will come 132. 0 cut with 0, then 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. So 132 is our answer. Okay guys, now the average of question number 3, that is select the correct answer from the given option. A part is that to find the average of 10, 20 and 30 is okay. On which number you will take? You will take on 20. Here is the rough work. For finding average, what we will do? We will add the values and divide them on 3 because there are 3 values. 10 plus 20 plus 30 which is equals to 60. Now we divide 60 on 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So you can simply say 23s are 60. So our average is 20. Okay girls, now B part is that to find the average of 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 and 5.5. We divide their sum by. On which number we will divide their sum? By 4 because there are 4 values. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay girls, C part is that if each of the 5 logs is 5 meter long. How many logs are there? 5 and each is 5 meter long. Then the average length is, what will be their average length? 5 meter. Okay girls, here is the rough work. We will add 5 meter 5 times because there are 5 logs and each log is 5 meter long. 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter and divided by 5 because there are total 5 logs. Sum will come 25 meter and we divide it on 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So our answer will be 5 meter. So here we take on 5 meter. Okay girls, D part. To find the average of a set of quantities, the quantities are, what we do with the quantities? We will add the quantities. Okay? So what we do here? Added. You will tick on added. E part is that the average of our data will be, what will be the average? Average is the mean value. So you will tick on mean value. Okay girls, hope you understand your lecture. Now be careful. First solve question number 1, 2, 3 on your book. After that with classwork date on your copies you will do question number 1. And with homework date, you will do question number 2 and 3. After that, send me pics on my WhatsApp number and also send me pics of your indexes. Allah Hafiz.